The game only just started.
Sam Hoover.
Okay.
Sam Hoover, are you okay?
I don't think he is.
The doc stuck his finger up my butt.
Oh my god.
Again?
Jesus
Again?
Christ.
He
Happened
pulled some
twice
poop
today.
out.
Oh my god.
Oh god. What the fuck?
I really hope Dipfuck is recording this one.
I am recording this.
I could have a really good YouTube
Oh
channel.
man.
Yes, Sam Hoover could.
Didn't you already have a really good YouTube
No, I
channel?
need to like start making actual videos. Like content.
Yeah, you should make Minecraft.
Oh, red ink, red ink, red ink.
The new episode of
Watch
Attack
out,
on
red is
Titan.
here, red is here.
I
Kill the
see
red.
that, man.
Yeah, kill the
I
red
killed.
people.
I'm killing the Russians.
Kill the Native Americans.
Hey, whoa.
What? You said it first.
Hey, no. Don't put that on me. That was all on you.
People.
No. You've got a bridge. I don't have any blocks.
Alright. I'll bridge.
Thanks. Hey, now I've got some blocks at least. I've got one block. I got two of them. I'm cool.
David,
Sam said it
you
first.
can't say that.
What'd he
Whoa.
say?
Did he say the N-word?
I don't say
He
those
did,
words.
actually.
I'm Middle Eastern. I'm Middle Eastern. I don't do those things.
I would know. Haha,
What?
loser can't jump on block. Ah!
I'm Middle Eastern.
I'm pretty sure Sam has said the N-word way more times than anybody I know. I didn't plan on doing that. Yellow or sweats, bro. We haven't done shit. We haven't even been playing well. Just because we're better than you doesn't mean we're sweats.
That worked.
Did it?
Okay, David, I'm gonna jump on him.
That work? That actually
Did it
worked.
work?
Lag?
Yep, big lag.
I think
spike.
lag is on my side right now.
Oh, bro. Yeah.
Dude, I'm like the best.
The server is not having fun right now.
What
We
did
must
they
continue
say
our
is-
jihad.
Let's go, team.
Ah, that's why he said he's Middle Eastern. Oh, what a surprise. Daviator got the bed. I am so bad.
It is time for the jihad.
Dippy Dog, you
Alright.
have to join the Discord.
I'm...
Join the Discord.
Why?
Very important music going on.
I have Rhythm Bot muted. I'm not unmuting Rhythm just to hear whatever the fuck that they're playing. Red team's out. That's fine by me, because I definitely wouldn't have been able to kill any of them anyways. Mumble is kinda eh, because it changes your sensitivity on its own, and it's just kinda aids. So it's like impossible to play. So I've been just complete dog at PvP. Oh, blue lost their bed. Come on, come on, last blue player, you can kill him. Good job, last blue player. You have successfully been very annoying. Interesting. It worked. I guess.
Hey man, what's up?
I just wanted a final kill, and that guy decided to fireball the bridge into oblivion.
Uh-huh.
And he also fireballed himself off. I'm assuming this is Daviator. Nobody else can bridge like that. Well, nobody else on our team. And what a surprise, Daviator got the bed.
Yeah, I'm too good.
Nah, you're not getting M's. I'm getting M's. That guy had a diamond sword. Why did he have a diamond sword? Is it... He was holding a diamond sword, right? Look who died. I'm pretty sure this guy's around this side. Looks like that's probably Emily. Yeah, it was Emily. Cringe. That's what you get if you want to egirl to do the work for you. Let's go. Let's go.
Easy win.
Too easy. Too easy. Alright. Z-Rift on top. One game.